the shot that stings, the Blue Jellyfish shot. Come learn how to make it. Today we'll be making a shot made famous by one of my favorite bartenders, the Tipsy Bartender. This shot is called the Blue Jellyfish shot, and to me it is the best version of the jellyfish shot out there, but don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. Stay tuned. Alright, so to make this shot we're going to need some Blue Curacao, some vodka. Now the purpose here is to layer the vodka onto the Blue Curacao. And then a whole bunch of Sambuca. Personally, I'm not a fan. Now the Sambuca is lighter than the Blue Curacao, however it is heavier than the vodka, so it kind of finds itself in the middle. Still layering. I don't know why they choose to put the Sambuca in last, or close to last per se, but I guess it helps with the effect of the jellyfish. Who knows? I think I'm gonna try it a different way, like putting in the Sambuca second. If you do it, let me know, tell me it works out and comment below. Now layering would be easier if you had like a good spoon, but my bar spoon kind of sucks, so yeah. We're gonna use a jigger to help me layer. Now I'm gonna do my jellyfish shot a little bit differently by adding rum cream instead of the half and half that he used, sorry. And I got a little sucky, so it's a little bit more convenient. Okay, so now we're just gonna add a drop in here. Jellyfish. Hey, but I mean, why just end with one, right? Jellyfish is for everybody. You get a jellyfish, and you get a jellyfish. Everybody gets a jellyfish. Now, to me, it's a very beautiful shot. However, I'm not a fan of Sambuca, so I won't taste it for you. But if you like Sambuca, then it's definitely a good shot for you. If you don't, may God have mercy on your soul. Tell me that isn't the best jellyfish shot you've ever seen. Minus the Sambuca, of course. If you like the shot that I've made, go ahead and give the video a like. And don't forget to share it with your friends, because I'm sure they want to create something similar to impress their friends as well. Or if you want to impress your friends, go ahead and make it for them. Show them the video so that they can learn as well. And also, if you like this shot and want to see similar shots to this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I'll be making more videos, similar topics, better cocktails. As always, see you next time.